I think the most fascinating part of this whole thing is for you guys to understand how the interpersonal dynamics of lawmaking really affect the underlying policy. Because in Olympia, it's a three-dimensional chess game. You have policy down on the bottom of this three-dimensional chess game, and you're moving pieces around, kind of understanding how the policy works. You have procedure kind of in the middle, and how you get bills from one committee to another and block bills in other committees. But up on top, you've got personalities and how those personalities interact with one another. And personalities are going to work down on the procedural side and on the policy side, and how you get along with people. It all works together. It's a three-dimensional chess game. Sometimes I'm lobbying the lobbyists as much as I'm lobbying the legislators, which I think is kind of a piece that a lot of people don't understand. I need to have really good relationships with all the other lobbyists so that when they're going to be doing a bill that maybe my clients aren't going to like, I can at least approach them and say, I understand why you're doing this, or I understand you're going to do this bill, but I'm going to have to either, number one, oppose your bill, or can we work together to take care of my clients' interests so that we don't have to do it through legislators. If I can't get that lobbyist to agree with me on making the changes that will make it possible for me to extract myself from that issue, then I start working with legislators and I see if I can get the votes to either do the amendment to the bill, or in some cases, try and stop that bill from passing either in committee or on the floor of the House or Senate. One of the most important things that a lobbyist needs to do is not surprise legislators about positions on bills. You want to let legislators know if you're going to have an issue with a bill in advance, as soon as possible, so that they're not surprised about you working in the background. So I often refer to myself as an information broker, and new legislators are usually really surprised to learn how much they rely on lobbyists for information and helping them make the policy that they want to pass be a better policy and actually get through.